Find or read reviews that people are talking about Synnov Laptop Screen Extender, 14-inch, FHD, 1080p, triple portable laptop screen extender monitor. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Wide compatibility. The laptop screen extender is compatible with a variety of devices and systems, including Mac, Windows, Android, Chrome and Switch. Ideal for home offices, remote workers, travelers, online meetings, IT workers, stock traders, gamers, and more. Tips: the screen extender is not compatible with MacBook Air with M1, M2, M3 chips. Triple screen display, 300% work efficiency. Synnov Laptop Monitor Extender is suitable for 13 to 16.1-inch laptops. Get 2 extra screens for your daily work, easy to open multiple windows and perform multiple tasks at the same time. And increase your work efficiency by 300%. Triple portable laptop screen extender can expand and mirror laptop content. You don't need to switch workspaces, saving a lot of time. 1080 FHD IPS Display. 14-inch Full HD notebook dual screen monitor with 1920x 1080p high resolution, 300 nits brightness, 1:1000 contrast, 60 Hz refresh rate. Provide you with rich colors and vivid visual experience. Each screen extender can customize the brightness and volume. Enjoy a bright, immersive work and entertainment experience while friendly eye protection, relieve eye fatigue. Plug and play, easy to use. The dual monitor attachment for laptops is plug and play, no driver required. It requires your laptop to have 2 fully functional USB-C ports. Please use USB-C to Type-C to connect 2 screen extenders, or with 1 fully functional USB-C port and 1 HDMI port. Please use USB-C to Type-C to connect 1 screen extender. And use HDMI and another USB-A to Type-C cable to connect another screen extender to provide signal output and power for dual screen displays. Tip: some laptops' USB-C ports are not fully functional, only support power or video signals. Please check before use. Portable, foldable design. Each screen of Synnov Laptop Screen Extender can be folded 0 to 180 degrees. You can adjust your favorite working angle and protect your screen privacy. Each item comes with a screen extension monitor portable carrying bag, which is easy to carry when going out. The upgraded widened adjustable angle bracket provides better stability for the laptop and screen. Even if you are not in the office, you can easily build an efficient workstation. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.